In this tutorial, we will see how we can add a placemark and a label in Google Earth Studio and animate it. So let's get into it, how to do that. First, go to earth.google.com/studio website. Then create a blank project. Let's name it Placemark and click Start. Now we are in our project window. Now let's search for a location. Click on the search button and search for Pyramid of Giza. Suppose we want to add a placemark on this pyramid and add a label. For that we need a KML file which contains that placemark. To make the placemark we will use Google Earth Pro. Let's click on the Google Earth Pro. If you already haven't installed Google Earth Pro, you can see the video on our channel how to install and set up. Now let's search here also Pyramid of Giza and press enter. This one is the one we would like to make annotation. If you do not want to see these labels, default labels, you can turn off these labels from here. Now to add a placemark, we need to click on this button, add placemark. Click on this, and this is the placemark. We can move it using our mouse. Let's move it on top of the pyramid and write the name of the pyramid, that is the Great Pyramid of Giza, and then click on the icon to select the icon, and we will use the yellow one. Let's click OK, and then go to the style and color tab. We will change the label color to something like yellow. Okay, and then increase the scale little bit higher. Let's make it 2, and also for the icon we will scale it up to 2 so it will look bigger, and then click OK. Now we can see our placemark is added in the places. Now we need to save this place. Right click on it and select save place as, and go to your folder. We can use KMZ or KML. Let's use KML and save. Now we are in Google Earth Studio. Let's click on file and then import overlay. You can also click this overlay and import KML, upload from computer, and then select the file that we have created. Click open. You can see that icon and the label is already loaded. Now we can make an animation that we want to do. Now for the animation, let's move the frame little bit left and create the keyframe. Now let's move the slider to the frame 120. The more length you want, you need to go more frames. Now let's move the object to our extent. And click keyframe to make keyframes. We can see the animation. Now we want to make an animation where in this position our label and icon will appear. For that we need to select the KML and click on the 3 dot and select keyframe opacity. Here keyframe opacity is added. We will make it 0 and make a keyframe. Now it is disappeared. And finally, after some time, let's go to 210 and let's make it 100% opaque. and create a keyframe. Now the animation will be slowly visible. Now let's make some movement also. Now we can delete this point. Let's select it and delete. Let's see how the animation looks like. We can make it little bit smoother using all these middle points, and right click, click ease out. Now let's see after removing some of the middle points how it looks. Let's delete this and see. In the middle of the animation, our object is going out. Now let's try to move it in and make a pan and tilt animation, and let's see how it looks. Okay, now the animation looks good. We can do some better keyframes for making it better. But at least you have learned how to add a placemark in Google Earth Studio using Google Earth Pro. Thanks for watching.